Happy Tuesday. I'm Tina Jennings. Now, normally we're worried about gaining a few pounds this time of year, you know, with all the parties and the big meals. But what if you could actually lose 10 pounds during the holidays? Dr. Sophie Jacob is here to tell us how, and she's also brought one of her patients, Jeannie Kubiak, who already knows what it feels like to experience this. Ladies, thank you so much for kicking off the show with us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Doctor, let's start with you, and maybe if somebody hasn't had a chance to catch you on our show, kind of give us a little bit of a background and how you came to help others.
Absolutely. Well, I'm trained as a chiropractor, and in my 20 years of practice as a healer doing clinical nutrition, I've helped thousands of patients with their health and their weight. And you know, I suffered from obesity as a kid. So, and not until, and even in my adult life, I also found myself, I was 25 pounds overweight. So I have been there, and I know what it's like to be overweight and this adverse side effect it has on your health, but most importantly on your self-esteem. And obesity rate is soaring. 1 in 5 deaths is now linked to obesity. It makes you age so much quicker, and not to mention all the devastating disease associated with it. As a chiropractor, it is my mission and duty to help you lose weight so you can have, can be healthy and have a great life.
And I'm sure your patients love that you have, such a personal story. You understand the journey, and you also understand the benefits of your weight loss program. Kind of tell me some of those benefits.
Absolutely. Well, the first thing with my program is because this is based on whole real food, supplementing the body with whole real food, what the outcome is the patient will lose weight, and they are losing it at an accelerated rate. We deal with balances, naturally balancing your hormones. We deal with pH issues, digestive issues. We deal with toxin elimination, which helps remove your body the fat stores, and also, 96% of the population suffer from hypothyroidism, and it is addressed with our program with natural nutrients. And we have a very high success rate, and all our patients, when they do the program, they feel better. They have improved digestion, they have better sleep, they have better looking skin, they look younger, and they have less pain. This program retrains your nervous system and balances the hormone which are responsible for storing fat. So as a result, it makes your body naturally resistant for you to gaining the weight back. So it's awesome.
And I know we were looking at a lot of those before and afters, a lot of what some of your patients were saying, how good they're feeling afterwards. Like you said, it's kind of like a whole body, a whole internal, even, the way you feel about yourself kind of feels even better. And you stay up to date with a lot of new technology and things that you can offer. You have something new, actually, that we're offering. Yes,
absolutely. We're so excited about this because it is FDA cleared and approved as the only non-invasive treatment for immediate fat removal. And this is without exercise, drugs, or surgery. Okay, so this is amazing. And the way it works is that it safely drains the content of the fat cells, and it removes the content, and it's going through the body's waste. So it is all natural, and there's no tissue destruction to the patient, and it works immediately. On average, females will lose 3.5 inches, and male will lose 3 inches.
Wow.
And this is only done in a 32-minute session.
Wow.
It's amazing. Yes. And then the good news on top of that, is it increases your collagen and your elastin formation, so it makes your skin look nice and tighter. And we guarantee that you will lose 2 inches on your first session. Now, is this transformational?
Wow. 2 inches.
2 inches on your first session.
And we're going to reiterate that was no drugs, no doctor, surgery, nothing. This is something immediate.
No exercise, no drugs, no surgery.
My gosh. This is everything we want.
Cutting edge, exactly. Well, and we do it a little bit more in depth in our office because, of course, the foundation is inside out. Yeah. We want to address those things first, but it does work, and it works all the time, and it works immediately. We've seen amazing results, so it's really exciting.
Well, you're always so smart because you always bring a patient because, of course, we can talk about it all day long, but actually hearing from somebody that has experienced this is a whole new level. So, Jeannie, kind of tell me your experience with Dr. Jacob.
I saw this ad, same as KGUN News, Morning Blend also. So I called her up, made an appointment, and I was in bad shape. I had foggy brain. I was severely depressed, overweight, and everything else. And now my fogginess is all gone. I'm thinking clear. I've lost 33 pounds.
Wow.
I've lost tons of inches. I'm down like three sizes.
Oh my gosh.
And I just noticed I'm going to go buy another small size, which I haven't worn in 20 years.
Yeah.
So I'm pretty excited. And I was 17 pounds when I first lost it. Dr. Sophie Jacobs actually got me to an area where she says, okay, let's figure out what the problem is, and then we'll go address that, and then we'll start losing more. So and after that, I lost the other, and it was just like a piece of cake. She's awesome.
Wow, you know what? I think this is important that you say that, because somebody's probably sitting at home right now, they're watching us, and they're saying the same thing. Oh, that's not me. That couldn't be me. Whatever. You were that person. So it's so great to see you on the other side. Like you said, already these pants, I'm ready to get rid of them. Let's go get another pair of pants. It's just such a great feeling when you've met the right person and found the right thing that works for you.
And now I got a chiropractor for life, because she's helped all my neck problems I have for life and everything else.
This is amazing. I want to thank you for sharing your personal story with us. And Dr. Always, thank you for coming again. You guys have been great. Now, I have even something to make this better, if that's possible. The first 20 callers who dial 891-2882 can get a health and weight loss assessment for only $49. Again, that's for the first 20 callers who dial 891-2882. For more details, just visit TucsonHealthyWeightLoss.com.